Tumurigereri chinsa ne chiege karo ime ya Gatembe TV ekionga kya Mungu siri tukeliga alia chuma mpiri una botambe njiri ngoro kwaro ni ototo nyengiri na buna botambe ni gotoko ira yige tokotenga ni gotoko rigereria amangana koru in-house sitoko nya gotoko rigereria nya kwa kwane kwa ekingima na za chito nya gotoko rigereria na ali za arobe irigo chigo koleka na buna botambe se geikaro litukolia lero ni gonde na Eric Abuga yoro mutendebwa mangana amaya ase egetasene keiga nabo igo muri kiwa mangana ya agesiasa Sam Miyenda itoko jikonya ka batokurigereria lyonsi kolende igo talinga nsiasa katoko jikurigereria lakini tokurigereria lyonsi mwanju murigereria ali za chinde naje hanye kubwate karengere kende kyonsi egekarekere geito twensi geito bartolese studio na bali muri ase chinga cheino gosando nsiasa oligetika tambe koru igo nabo konya ka base namba yesimi erese TV yao 0726447367 nabo konya ka bakoli koko toma karengere kya ororo gusanga karengere kya ororo nabo kira bali boli nabo kira karengere kyansi nabo rabe comment kendi ganskiro nyaka kubeka poigo ase ensemo ya YouTube Gatembe TV no tole live nabo igo ensemo ya Facebook Gatembe TV nabo igo ensemo ya WhatsApp na banere jwe mwancho murigereri nabo tokonya ka ba tokogendera ase enchira ayobwa muri tangani kigima nigongo bali baga baraba kwani gekora ichuma na nyiringa ichuma baba kwane tiregere na maiga ichuma na yara tata jake na esa muna yorange na inji
Tianyire bagay o kwanya bakusiba nsiasa mwa beta semara kwa yabana na ndito bari gani kigima se umugabiri kulia lero umugabiri ege karo igo to kubari gani na ino you are part of us na mukonya kaba mu to science
Abuga
the banga by what it school the roof is not on fire and the sun is not coming down. Tima dinge motion ni ito sonye ka parliament ito ga ne te ka sasa nega ndrede buya
abo charo tinda igu wate bapi
the roof is not on fire and the sun is not coming down anytime soon. So the welcome na nota get the king. Kero constant.
Kero monta menyeno ko rengana kwae. Na se ge karoli tukolia lero nigo tugochaka nengana yaberi go kwanunga itanga motinyo ya mumugima because ya mangana abemna na chinguma chikotara abantu ime abantu bakonyo kwananga omoswada nororo orengete komurusi abisi omo governor we county Nyamira musika musimu nyaribo ne background neyenga oyetari moswada mutangani ugo chikobe kwa ase bungeli yogo chikomurusia omosike nyaribo abisi akaroto kurwe background yake go nelinga oyo no moswada gatatu muswada noro muswada kabire nigo muskenya ribo mojati I think muswada mutangani muskenya ribo project yo mo konyi bo gavana muske James ndicho gesaminga no alinge magega yokuruswa kwaye no yo kabire nkarengi noro irite okoruswa kwaye abisi ko mo speaker osomo nogeli ugatatu soka Nyamira atwala ba speaker bange sana na chako tabu mo speaker mutanga na na ndo nya urusati gororo en igendigia kwan twigorna na tukumenya kwa timaiti je mwenye tenga musike chwa nyamoko na hero speaker mutangani na tuta na ro mutangani kagima onje to kurusi wabisi
mutanga na ngos
na omo ena ko musike na kokero karusi wabisi asa kwa tabe kana ngata chinde niga misman chiti emoswada bokorusi musike amusike mo myaribo abisi sachinde na bago taba na oyo onyare takabago gobe kugosoyo go chiko ikoli tuko liankyo no mwamsi bo wodi ya Nyamatuta omosike Julius Matwere ase ogochakira oyo moboyo orogetie ekerenge gyukoliye okero kyo gavana se county Nyamira moske engineer James Kimoni nyanya kwa gatenganza chinde miaka etigalte nemeke tigo mugavana yali bayibulika ayiguli bagali aye akore kengesi kya enza chinna banya chinguru kya no chikirete gabu tarengere limite bingo because chinga kina chiro chichialire timaitinga abuga bano gaiga ase togo chake kurugoro ko janse linde nande to nyolenga aye no Munyamira ngetingi go kure Nyamira
You see politics to what think definitely because if there's someone who tatanga nyariba be at the moment about the target yae Because no twara no nyo 1 year to election there. That's what was by election actually. Ni Nyamira and other parts of the country. Nyani ya linga ngatira bantu bati bakota ngamba ndi twakula. So tanti nyende se kwenda IBC angwa motanga tenga chakne chinga chatirire. Tika tutura turya bangaba ya bangawa tenne chi ward chi chi constituency chi twakula chukula. And what then go survive for a long time.
Yeah.
But it's called one Nyamira county in a trick situation towards by election. Towards an impeachment motion you go to watch. Kind of Nyaribo for the past like 2 years now what the stronghold in the assembly.
Yeah. Now what the majority.
Now what the majority stronghold yeah answer the yumba. The alignment yechi politicians chia see towards Matiang'i choko chinjere the course of politics as chi motions chia kisi na Nyamira. But the to having impeachment motion you go to watch. Need to repercussion ya siasa ya Nyamira. You see, there are guys who think like once we impeach Nyaribo from office, you get Gesami as a governor, then you'll be sending both of them home in 2027. There are those ones who think that if the Nyaribo succeed up to 2027, they need to go back and go through the ballot. So there are so many issues in Nyamira before the impeachment motion to have a table in the assembly, but let's hope that Nganda must make an answer one another. Yes, again, they get a table in the assembly. What is the way forward? But from the look of things, a majority of the last time the assembly touched with emotion here, it can be a rubric of what happened again.
Yeah. But that's by 1/4.
Yes. Alternative and a change, and work, Chikromu in Andasa Bank. When you hang a TMC in Nyamira, 50-50. I hit the Bacoletamia, I wasn't Bacoletamia, because there's a case in court. There is an issue ya leta assembly TMC kwa declared null and void.
Babu mashinani.
Yes, a majority of them by bank support Nyaribo.
Yeah.
Again, you look at the issue in Nyamira, there are so many issues that attach to this issue, yeah, impeachment. There's no working public service the county public service board in Nyamira. Because there's an argument na mashinani assembly. There are so many issues we can discuss from today and tomorrow. On what can
Nemeswade Yonsi niko ya beta nullified.
Yes,
ya beta ya tuko na bunge mashinani.
Yes, so there are so many issues that Nyamira kinende ne linga ki. The common mwananjo Nyamira not get the development from the county government. Other than getting the development from the national government, mwananjo not get the development ya county government from the between 6 billion to 10 billion chiko cha county government ya Nyamira. That it's accounted for. You remember it's like a process ya very move. It can be a political process or a legal process. Remember last month, Antombale Baba record statement in the EAC's office, the South EAC's office, we can record the statements. The argument, not even the argument, the message was that Nyaribo was summoned in error. I just record this statement. Since our band record this statement, we have never been told that Nyaribo record this statement. We don't know what happened in between. That recorded statement. That comes back to tell you that this was a political process. Had maybe ya sinye tatemera so if you succeed, then there's a likelihood. Again, the Kenya Nyaribo someone to the years could be part of the issues. These are what happened in the assembly. You see now, if he was investigating this issue, ya Nyaribo Nyamira, it means that now the MCs can get information from. He is part of the impeachment reasons. But it's an interesting motion because it's not easy for someone to survive like 3 times an impeachment motion. And again, what makes Nyamira to be unique is the number of MCs we have. You see, there are 21, number 22.
Yeah, 21.
Nominated, the number is still low. Also, about 21, if you want to get the majority, it's almost 15 or 14. It doesn't make sense that around 14, no one impeachment motion, 8 to 8. Like county change.
Nande maybe koba kwa bubande binebi kandrata bande na ba kinakira chikoba it will be a long legal process kubwat kananga na bado agatia ba msi bado batari chiko wakati ko koba bade suspended something like that in Navy na samwe karoko cha ime igoro ye ngane yo komurusi abisi moske Nyaribo. Is there a link between okurusi wa bisi kwa Nyaribo gosomo swado yo bomo Julius Matwere amona siasa chiekerenyo Nyansiongo na Nyamaiya?
So for me, we check it out. You see, Nyarego is one of the people, is one of the governors in our country. Couldn't say Nyamira actually. You could telling or survive sana in this impeachment. And there are some Abantawangi Bakuma Chikolanga most Kenya Yibo, Nari Tawana to cover this. Let me say so, was above of the issues you and the Tokobas in Samaria and Nyamira. And the former speaker, and I think we ever discussed this thing, Vegas TV and Ngatavanga. Oyonde, Oyotokanga Nere Okelo couldn't have been impeached as a speaker. Neringa, you go watch it according to MCAs that he was the one, Orenge Kokoni Nyaribo. He was the closest ally.
Ai Mogeti Mosarabo Nyaribo.
Bona, bagaza corona kumbe nayo ogendeta koreta goshidio mugavana. So what did they do? Agachakulia bibe vya Nyaribo. So wakatanga mtego wa panya na washika wenye wako ndani na wasiokuwemo. Bona mtego huyo ngo bwatete Okelo. And then from there we haven't had an impeachment. Issues have been there. Balenge bunge mashinani, yalitatoka ta bunge nyumbani, usibunge kwa mstuko. The way it was. And then now we legally tukanyoranga let the MCAs to a unity and but to a unity we are back to the assembly. And I want to say the unity of our MCA Nyamira is a trouble to the governor because if it becomes a unity of purpose, it means they can agree maybe an impeachment. And there are a lot of issues in Nyamira when you look at Lego issues. Much as there is an impeachment, even maybe the numbers, the issue of the MCAs who were suspended, were they allowed to be to go work? Could I say not? Because it was a report that was adopted by the House, whether I say the Powers and Privilege Committee, I think. So, Abaramuko was suspended actually, if you go to court, kind of, law, and if they come up then to vote, then it means that there are some questions. It is talked about legal issues. Much as when we have an impeachment, whichever the impeachment we can have, Toko is separate from being political, aside from we can have legal issues, but Toko is separate for political kwa sababu those people who are involved in this impeachment na bana siasa waraba MCA na ndo ulio maneno kwa ba
kurwana no mwana siasa
no mwana siasa. So meaning that na mu governor ara sikubekira magosa abantu getenga maybe behind the impeachment of his impeachment. Secondly, intervegwa Arno Toto. You know, ntakora difa almost kekemoni asate abanga maybe to
tinga child.
Let me tell you, we don't have sympathy in our country. We have a law. And onya bantu bari bamuchiringa bona to for example, let me give you an example. Ngabona muibi bire ngabona singencheri the first time ngabona mutike tago cha kwaki tago cha kwiro.
Kosenge cha rwale ta itebukwa.
Yo rwale ta kwiro to goro. Kimbo bekwira. We don't have such a way, no.
In fact, because of when you got a defense mechanism, king and me getting at the Namek. And I began to get the money on your Richie one Monta and the Caco.
As long as Richie could want if indeed there are reasonable issues, and what evidence, enough evidence, then let them table the motion and then Akiata again. Talking to Tosa Karina. Amanto akietendeka na herichi korikore igwati. If the governor is okay, it's fine and well. So we don't have an ultimatum ngabona wikirabona you cannot impeach, wikirabona you can impeach. No, anytime an impeachment can be done if there are some serious issues that need to be looked at. The coincidence of
the timing on
I don't thinking aware that there will be any connection. The only thing is Neringa, you go to closer to the elections. Aba bwata nimbare go saba rwanerimbare who aligned which I say chama you moske Nyaribo eyo ekorokwana UPA. Maybe bono go chigotigare the campaigning strategy ara rendering na kia ko chago survive. I say impeachment yakorete you may be last low the candidature yabari nere abatebanga natakete babwase chikurechi egara ndisoma tebakubwa emangana ya numbers yagenda tego ase county ya Nyamira at least nere na tu areba enga abana abane when an impeachment comes no when an impeachment comes when you have the majority but against you you only look at turikuligirira aba majority obarusio you only look at mbare ngoko rusio esari esabe ya majority just like last time there was only one MCA urwetega and then
in fact happened digo no any county ya Kericho to rujenga no monto yo muri tangani retega kuri kwende ya bagacha kusemba tatu kwene system ngendo munekyo na abuga se kwende igasema ya siasa tima ito kusenza nyaro separate siasa kuri so muswado yiga considering nga no ana barwanedi estebiroge bigabyo bwa MCA bo kwaneka binyansiongo nyama ya nekerenyo abarwane ba UPM baro na kubwatikana nga neli tukuligora katokulingi neli tukuligora na siasa chanya kwa chikana neli tukuligora asijenza machi ya gesiaga imebuga West Mugirango igati ija bali bakageire gosegeto mano gosiro mano nasemo ananema nasemo yo mutske Dr. Fred Matiang'i abu abange bagotaba kutande quoting about favorites na abayoboke mabya kya UPA oyoro murai bweki oyoro mugavana umurai bweki amegero mugavana bwe county Nyambiro Muske amuski mu Nyaribo na siti nchira gitega yo koleta gotaka ko weka emotion sima ndamo ndako soka sikala tanga ebatate ko ngite ebatate ko ngore gato buneki gagara tajinde kya maganya na simbati
toko chaka gateba nga impeachment is a political process toko during impeachment kurase process impeachment ekagara you know when they talk about the simple majority my impeach a governor or a deputy governor in the assembly it means there must be robbing.
Yeah.
So robbing is a political process. Take what suppose na tebanga na tena seketanga ngeke ngole PCD. You know, yes, the common sense will tell you nga go impeach a governor the county assembly, GM center ke to mere concerns yabo in the proper way. So to mere bongo bo aboronge. Okay, it's their constitutional mandate to impeach a governor. It's their responsibility like rende. But in most cases you'll find from as a deputy president. There are some members of parliament who came out to say because our political affiliation are linked. Same thing happens in the county assemblies. You'll find members of the county assembly which governor, maybe because by related certain political, or say their political affiliations chiko favor that particular moment. You'll find the governor, the grounds could be the same as were in the last impeachment process. But you find no scenario I get to know last time to have a governor and or say yes to have the governor to retain. Which work at the opposite of what he did last time. So that's why I'm saying it's a political process. So in the Kwaboding, is it you have seen the political politics, the 3 by-elections to impeachment. You see, Nyari was kept off Cesar Nyansionga and but you realize the candidates were aligned to Matiang'i. They are campaigning for UPA candidates. Now these UPA candidates were Nyaribo. If Nyaribo comes to the last 2 days campaign, after he's supporting the UPA candidates, he comes out as a strong candidate. If he comes out any time between now and 27, after I'm supporting these candidates people will say, Babu Chikura because Nyaribo. Nyaribo is in an awkward position. Yeah, politics between now and maybe the end of this month. So he has to make the right decision that politically I'll do this and this and this. If he keeps off, you don't come to saying candidates by UPM Babu et all now. You see, and maybe in one or the other or support the candidates, it might be a strength for them or a weakness for these candidates. So either way, now I take it to but I want to say this nothing in Nyansongo ward there. I was Nyansongo ward. I can tell you the way Abanas is very confused Ngotoko support by in the Matiang camp is the same way Omanaja confused. Actually, the more back on the campaign crowding and the candidate even Nyansongo ward, particularly Nyansongo ward actually. And what the candidate UP and what the candidate PDB. The more about convince Monange. Because the last time I checked the Matiang red team, Nyansongo ward or campaign and the candidates were Matiang team. At one point, Balengena Mogusu, who is a PDP candidate, at one scenario, Balengena, the UPA candidate. So what are you telling the common managing more support? Like, Yani, Motogorama, Gronsia, Mogan, Regotara, commanding a party, Mogotara, and Retogare. So, what will happen? So, for me, Nyarivas make a decision. This is the only time I went to say MSI. I give this opinion, that's why I have got it. Argue the experts, political experts in Nyamira, what are you supposed to do from this point? You see, again, the idea that there are some staff from the county government were sampled to EACC. Lakini atanya kwa someone, and yet it was mentioned. What are you telling the staff? That if something had happened, you want to be sacrificed. So they could wish that let him go. So that bami patika level maybe bakura na woka banyamadenga oyo balenge nede taiyo. But if he still keeps on running the affairs the county government that's like things are usual, then there's a big mistake. Yes.
Na ikintu kende sensa meiga karokuligereri impeachment inchirate yora nyariko gukwanira impeachment ye omugavana utari kuligereri nga umuntu ore next ningo oyora mukwanyi omugavana we county ya Nyamira omosike James Dr. James Odicho Gesami oyu asama tukamaiga na beta kiusidinga nsajina na ringi magega yokugane korusi gwabisi ko mugavana Nyaribo na kero kuligereri mo no kwanyaranga koru anya to kabaga gochoru kusuba nya ko baga gochoru nchetindo jo sinanya korona litu kuli mubaramo na ne biche yunga langi nyirigi na bira bole itani ya swali ngini yoka irabe gose ande igaba coincident ideons na the last time umugavana we umukanyi umugavana arojekaine echingaki university ya Nyamira yali guchakigwa atanya arorekante gotebanga niga ngosome speech y'umugavana iyo abange banyata kabako betebese mitandao nganza chinde nigairi kiretaga cha gosoma umugavana tamutumireti ibintu mune you expect such a thing jekaro batari kumira nesto bwam liba gali umugavana mukonyi umugavana muske Dr. James Gesami Dr. James Gesami ondicho Gesami as impeachment ye don't you think an error your mobo or in an awkward position as long as delivery?
I think before someone comment on that situation, you know, Gesami is a long-serving politician. The people we call the seasoned politicians in this country. He has been there for some time.
And I'm told in an about governor 2013.
About governor. Yeah. One thing you need to find from Gesami is, you know, if Gesami comes to contest as a governor, not even to contest, to serve as a governor between, God forbid, or God, okay, it's maybe unfortunate, but Nyaribo might go home or doesn't go home. But if Gesami comes in, I have no more governor. You know, there are things he can do within 1 hour, one year. Maybe in the being he can redeem his political image, or he can use that position as a stepping stone to another political position. Now, after 2027, support no Mondo. And I will know senator. You see, we have a senator in Nyamira who comes from Urabu, but originally from West Mugrango. His son comes from West Mugrango. Now, this gentleman by the name of Kongo or telling governor. What if Gesami goes back up for senator? Because in Yaka, he can say that there's a belief you're managing Kroki for senator politically, to experience. And I think I want to na sabi no mugavana kiro kiyo basana ngoliki nchiko represent there na very both mo jumbe mo governor na very no political kwende na political experience hata mtu ambaye le senator he can use this ground here as you create for 1 year about any political city at get but you see the people said that they need to create more kasamina abo mo governor maybe that dream is coming true. Who knows? But maybe by December.
And considering now deputy governor balitua nyaka batoko ligerali ba succeed aba governor babekera babiri impeached. Abange babono anye balinge chianda doge mbaigete bakanyora libaga. Bakanyora libaga na baga consolidate na bakamnyora ko babuire F8. Unabona mu governor ngwenyande kuri mu governor we county ya Bomet mu example Dr. Irali Parichok nobody knew nganabe mu governor ka. Until karoya jete ko ba unfortunately mu governor Joyce Raposa agasiri mabwae au ya nge deputy governor agasoma no mu governor baada bakamusiereri sielinga asta yago china wa ko we no ago korabo then na pa jeta karuta baba isakiruto insiko baba Dr. Eliud Rangat akaba kaisiko.
So karongo chime arono toto amaite esabe political impeachment. I mean the impeachment, as we said, it is something you cannot link in politics. That is because it involves politicians. Lakini wewe wajitama yeli chikulende. Maybe there are some people, the political opponents, maybe almost Kenya libo andake asesabe aba majitkolira ina andake if he goes in kama pema maybe they will have an easy time during the 2027 elections, of which let me tell you, Magako is one of the people politically you cannot as well undermine, much as they are a deputy governor. According to me, according to some, Njeno Chinga Gesami is more tougher than even the current governor we are having. Let me tell you, Aba governor very deputies Nandeba Nyarko Bako ascent to power, although Navake.
Yeah.
Navake san, as an ambe, I think you Montombar joke wika. I think yeye peke yake kwa sababu tuandapo na mo governor wa county ya Kwale Fatuma Achani ngashite kwetoroba chori orenge deputy governor. We talk about Samuel Wamatai of Nyeri. Aba tigiri tuinga kieli lakini tachie tuwaka comeback. We talk about Nyoro of Kiambu. Tachie tuwaka comeback. We talk about Kananu tachie tukwaenda kwa sababu Kananu tachie tukubori kura. Then we have another one. Bona ganto bwata ubaro bona a successful impeachment of Meru County. Tutaka tukoli ringa maybe
Mundo Indinge.
Usena ake comeback with the heavyweight of our mythical into Peter Munya. So there's no way again Ototo era arakanenga you can separate an impeachment motion kuwa se homo governor abantu abange mba accuse the deputy governor. Abantu abange ba much kugira ringa and ake ne deputy governor takete kutumika the easiest ways you go ascend into power. So and ake kero impeachment yegocha mostly, in fact the first attempt you rarely find among the work use other political figures other than the deputy governor. Majority of the people and even the from the nation go back under a normal deputy governor but get the ascend to power. Asing enjo at the chorus maybe you have seen such cases. Look at the Kiambu issue the other time. Why did to everybody look at why did to maybe under that is scholar or say that learned as people think, as they say. Maybe one agachore deputy governor correct. Maybe a narrow fight. And such cases we have. So but there's no way or I separated the impeachment, Yomo governor, or some deputy governor. It is perceiving a maybe narrow fight. When I look at Gesami, the last time I watched Gesami, I can't even recall. That is the first thing. In fact, especially I accused of the impeachment. Gesami, and I've always saying we need to have a proper law, a common deputy governor. How many people in our country knows the deputy governors? It is rare. No, unless Gago Tarata. But majority of the people, even in Kisi County, you know the deputy governor is in Angel. Morochi Sabalchi Ningachi, maybe Chief Governor, and they allow him to and woman. So for me, I think it won't be easy, much as you can replace my
but the Montanaro Kongoliga Nigo no Moswada no Kagiri kwase a county ya Kakamega lituko Liankyo Naro Bogani Komorusia Mosque Fernandez Parasa na aiga Sachinde Mochando Nora ase ogochora kwa bakonyi baba governor ase a county ya Kakamega kuyiru no mubwekano koboya nya kwa kwanaga omo konyi mo governor a seasoned politician kobwa omo governor because ayo kusavura asavitita musato I think muno mujumbe urugali agame uchukaba a deputy governor ani gata ko bole governor akaba pressure down ngaki ya akabe running mate ya Mosque Fernandez Parasa and he is even more visible no ani chi campaign chikenda tabo chalwa kabwa anmone ebunge ya Malava na araka nikoba Facebook obwa omo governor. Is this the danger ikogeranga abantu bakogenda ba pikyo muntu ko pikyo ndebwe nsi mutara ja pikyo no anaro ni toto kuruga mute ya running mate ya nega kara hoye ga kwaje kamashara ka kwagenda ke kara muna kwa na for example asabantu 10 abantu kianda mbago ati governor ya Narok Kuningo for example a deputy governor ya Narok Kuningo you cannot tell then imagine when I talk at the Ingo no laji
No, Toto, let me tell you, I've seen since we had the evolution 2013 in Chesami and I am a journalist and it allows me and again I have that political interest sometimes. when I sit down, from 2013 when we had devolution, abantu abangi obari gochora, abantu bari ngana popular as the deputy governors. Nande omuntu oli otabwati ambitions chinyingi chiko chikoba mu governor because omuntu is dangerous by the way. Are you seeing the point? Sababu no muntu ora to make any means to make sure maybe you go down. You look at Kara says Bunabon, I'm not rubbishing more for almost Kemangi. Mangi was some abantu abangi was kumanya Mangi when he was a deputy governor. Look at him.
Never get able to get for example, you must go wire with the Mangi.
You must go wire with the Mangi. That is but abantu were choru as unpopular candidates for deputy governor. Okumachikoranga mbali koleta shida which is our governor because maybe ambitions might be different. We say that unquenchable ones. Lakini there is a danger when you bring a seasoned politician as your deputy governor. Omuntu what ambition is here otaganya for 10 years.
No ite wande bako describe mo deputy governor mune enyanga we ko bwati umuntu konyakanya galio kabako umaite ngango gukorenza chinde chionzi.
That's why ototo sabula maite ko ya betenga they had to sit down ngendo bali tinga ki what they looked at why not for the arrangement kango mo governor we county Kakamega Malala bona iko ba tenga they had an enemy orenga Malala
a common enemy
bona bakaranga tikaba chama forgetting that in future bona everyone in the Kakamega politics is fighting
Barasa.
Yeah. Including the former governor, who is now a CS. So what does that tell you?
Yabuga.
Karoko Chora, a politician, as your deputy governor, Nando got more experience than you. He feels like he's the best more than you. That's why even the Barasa is suffering.
You know, most politicians, if you find a governor sort of easy, what the background in politics, maybe you get to win or serving maybe 2 or 3 times as a member of parliament as a Kobe governor. And you compare someone who's coming in as a first-time governor, about then political experience.
About background in political.
You can see the difference about the deputy governors. Yeah. You know, somebody is asking about why Karachi the deputy governor. You know, Mangi was a candidate Yobo Jumbe or Machoga Church. So for him, and you see, Kisi was different from county Chinde. Kisi is among the counties here about ballroom democracy. In 2013, Kabanga Chore governor, candidate, deputy governor, senator, all those positions. They sat some year back agreeing because the first time they were making it's different from what happened maybe in Oman Bay. Oman Bay came to ballroom democracy in 2022 when Wanga was coming in and he was told you have to have Mawanga as your deputy governor. Because another Tekerogeka now you can stand and agree what to do. Here's in 2027 in Ikisi, things were different. When Simba came in, he was trying to find a way and Chukura Chanjaribari Church. Chanjaribari there as a rock. And Alampakacha what experience from Nyaribari, and the only person who was remaining for that time was Mond. I will pick him on because they maybe experience here, cruise Nyachai, power, all those things. But you go to Nyamira, it's different. So yes, Inani was trying to balance the equation. You got West Mugulanga as a block, it's called Chukura, but he forgot one thing. He was picking on someone who had the more political experience than him.
And that's what even a name comes to it.
Not even a name. And this was even happening in Homa Bay County. That when Gladys Wanga went from Mawanga, Mawanga more in a way had more political experience than the governor. Now it's coming out like in 2027 you might have even Wanga in the ballot. And against Mawanga. So it's a way, but people are thinking like Gladys Wanga is working well now. And the death of the member of parliament for Kazabu, not even Karaina, the death of Kazabu member of parliament. There's something behind. But one thing, there's a bill, there's a motion in parliament. Actually, bill in the Senate. I think the Senate from Wajir County, the chairman again intergovernmental Mohammed Sambot. Yes, Mohammed, I think that's all. They get the bill, a motion under the committee to change some powers to deputy governors, to give them more powers, more responsibility. The counties like Homa Bay, a deputy governor got a docket. and ministerial docket, we call them CECs.
And that's a favor Kurwase government.
Kurwase government. It could be, it was an agreement, it was direction agreement. Why you think here, Wakova deputy governor, this is what will be given. Alternatively, deputy governor, kwa getting a kia and deputy governor, on out of 10 positions, CEC, on a 5. Lakini vago churu the out of 10 5 nganji wako na koira 4 ekamone kiani deputy governor. It's an agreement. So this kind of this deputy governor supported more powers. I think Manga was given help. Equate docket I think as a CEC. So it's very different. Actually, if you go to Nyamira, Gesami will tell you also wanted such a position. People are talking about it. Think such a position, have a CEC and have a deputy governor. Now, if you give a deputy governor such powers, and maybe now the political ambitions in the future, pakara kwa colleagues.
Na ni montara kwa nentekio briefly ya narogota banga kumutali korubo kulia agaworinga ningo bono motebi governor we county ya Kisii. Rengo ro dekadare na re physical.
Let me tell you Toto. If a deputy governor is fighting a governor, Manyanga, they are only fighting because of the end of the bargain. During the election.
Again, don't get
You see, Abange, you go back on Tebonga, I ain't I'm bringing numbers. But in return, what do you give me? Majority of the politicians, especially the county governments, the differences here, deputy governors and governors, it is simply because at end of the bargain, yani accumulating karibai 180. Na kigetara kora kigetara ikiranda. So in return, monto cook for an impeachment.
I'm also reminded yanga omo kawanyibo mo governor we county ya Siaya almost ke William Odoli kuru almost wada bo kumurusia ABC ogwete as a senate tanya koreka na ABC nigare chinsemo cha Nairobi maite. I don't know how true this is. Lakini niga nando bisi kwa teka hiyo roge kwa mba pachane tinomo governor mosike James Agri Orengo timaitinga ngaki kusento jikoliga tumanyenga ngaje gotoka bona na eringi hesabu ya ene rya toka ara toka gete karo toko chi gokora kuransa meju mwancho muligereri namatuko gose tutabenga no mutinyo amona matukabere aelire korwa omo konyi gorumo raibwe kyamo gyodi omuskerera amoro Odinga siri ogumabwaye igandukirite intachinde gotenani gwa kwemiro byo gocengera okaba kwekya ekyo emiaka 20 na nigo litkuli goro gose kururi tukuli moiso ndego gotira masama tukata kubwatani nigo abubwatani bekya mekyo mono abachaki babere bakumira nase chinsemo chia Mombasa na manga bayirika gukwano litanga kimature guchingwana chigati yabarai ase omo yego ibugo chengera okoba gwekya mage ODM ase miaka 20.
There is no party in the world which is formed to be in the opposition. All political parties are formed to be in government. And all political parties aspire to be in government. And all political parties fight to be in government. And therefore our party is not excluded, and our party ODM is fighting to be in the government now in this broad-based arrangement, but even in future, either as ODM or in coalition with other political parties. So we cannot say that as ODM, we just want to be there. We just want to be there. We don't want power. We want power. Because how are we going to implement our policies if we don't have power? If you are going for demonstrations.
ODM has been foundationed on partnerships. We have partnered in 2007, we went into the election. In 2013, we built partnerships under CODE. In 2017, we built partnerships under NASA. In 2022, we built partnerships under Azimio. And as we move into the future, we must continue to build partnerships with people who are like-minded so that we can move together, because we will never or cannot really walk alone.
You know, in ODM, it's the only party where you are supposed to be given a ticket in some hotel, in some petrol station. But I want to tell you, this roundup, we will make sure the certificate you have won the ticket at nomination, you get your certificate. That one will be able to do it. Finally, I wanted to just recognize there is a gentleman here, Kamau Waraila. This guy has worked with Baba. And there is one person called Morocco. Morocco, Baba, while you are doing what? Away. Morocco. Again, there is a trustee, and nimeambiwa atakuwa recognized. Wana ODM, tukae pamoja, kuwa na imani, tutatengeneza serikali inayokuja. Lazima tukae kwa hiyo meza.
He believed in Kenya. You know, he always extended, you know, his wings to cover as many people as possible.
Na mangia nyata kwa kwa niku mwanchumurigiriri ase emeyege yue nyata kwa nikiwa ase county ya Mombasa so katabanga nigo ikiamagia ODM Kenya kwa gego chengira emiaka emirongebere na kurendene gesie kebenga Raila tari ngororo kubatakana amono gusire kwae amatuko wetani mutinyo amwe alika bagweta na ase keri observation ya mo yanya kwa ni kuonelinga omo raibu nsomo ske William Samoei Ruto na nyata kwa wikira na chinse mecho na nababigita kwa bia ODM kigima na nabanyata kwa kwana nga nigaroro atabwati apologies chinde akonyara kwa komeke se okukunyure tu monjo murigereri ikiama kia ODM kero tigwe omwaka bwechiri bubere na 5 2005 magega yobo chori obonene obwa referendum ya maikatem na chungwa na ndisi litoke amone litunda lichungwa ligotritunda likabuga bwatani be litunda bakwana kinga bonoga pakebugeta mkorosi ikiama gia ODM na sokorotwe gwikiama gia ODM umurayo monne gwikiama gia ODM moske Raila Amolo Odinga na rachatu umurayo monne aravu nigabwate abakonyi bo murayi gwikiama kyo ayurenge umoske William Samoei Ruto muna founding deputy party leader omoske Joe Nyaga omoske Nachi Barara na boigo omoske Musalia Mudavadi etiketi ya batu migete aso mwaka bwechirubere na 25 na mirongebere chirubere na 5 nebere 2007 kurende weka 2013 ikatoka bandabange bonsi basokerwese kya bya ODM na bono iga ase abachaki bonse kiama kia ODM gose Pentagon members onde tayo ororo ase kiama kyo munagenda kwa kana kore tuko kurende na chingwa ni chenya kwa chiko kwana kabone ngwana ase banya kabagwa na kimuna omurayo monne bwe kiama kyo no moske Dr. Oburu Odinga uyo nya kwa kwekero kibene na bwe ganya kwa gokonywa amo na mugavana we county ya Kisumu moske Paul Simbarati umugavana we county ya Mombasa omoske Abdul Somar Sharif Nasir omo senator we county ya Viga omoske Godfrey Ososi bwego munyekero gwe kyamekyo nigo akorokwa nga Gladys Wanga mugavana we county ya Mapei omulike manene na senator we county ya Nairobi omoske Edwin Sifuna egati yabande abange generally observation iyo guchengira ali okoboko gwekiama gia ODM nyuma tararigereria yande aligo chimebono ali atataka iriko rigerari kunda chinda ali bantu bakwishinga tarigerari ko observations ekiame kigankia korera to justice se chisharechi ga to chaka na esam justice nja beta sabu dinge kiambe kingia korete did they do what the party deserved as a chisharechi
botambo maita se eshere eshere kere ko bakunyura ninge tugete anniversary yete no kunyura nyobo anchani buli arengo whichever the occasion was during the first time kere gente kigia chite in the face for me I felt like it could have made more sense on Ndimuga Raila Odinga abo because he owns the history of Ekiamagia ODM. But before baenda say edina ya have attended na Umora even say Moske William Ruto unaro chobegete kobi orange, but it was in yellow. I don't know whether what he was speaking was naroma into the dressing itself. Navarenge in blue, I mean Navarenge in orange, but Navarenge in yellow. But before we had that dinner, korunyuma konyora barasi kanini. One dinner kamachikorokananga, it was a moment of coming again together.
Yeah.
But let me tell you, I wonder sometimes, that the same person who was profiling Raila names is the same person talking good of how Raila was and the ODM party Navaga charity. I think for me, it was just a message sent. Kochia servant bari batari support the broad-based the likes of Edwin Sifuna. Mate Sifuna ikoro isako realizing it was louder. Karabari nga se rally ni Mama Ngina Gardens. Lakini karaigi yage tenga na area se area dinner, it was more quiet because abantu bari bayichageti ba majirenga ba maitenga kiama gya ODM, whatever they are celebrating today, abachaki ba ena bwa babarega. So he had to be quiet. Even the speaking itself could look different. So for me, the president was passing a message to abantu baria, was abaraibaya, but he was support the broad-based and everybody said chama ODM. Ngata etukuba nyuringa. Even the career mo washerekea and the mototage maybe came by the Siokopoko. I'm the founding members, and in fact, the founding deputy party leader with Kiamagia ODM Moske William Ruto. But I think it was all political. They didn't get the deserving thing. So I celebrated was all political, and it was sending a political message. It was not an anniversary. It was just a political message. It
was a political event.
Yeah, it was a political event, not an anniversary. It was March 20.
Abuga. General observation ya sherehe yonsi kuruna ya chake tuwa kabna yaret.
For me, it could be the last supper for DM.
Sure.
You see, you might think ODM they were the officials by the from the look of things, the only person maybe who could be powerful as ODM as an official could be Sifuna. Edwin Sifuna Center for Nairobi. Abandi is like kiwa terekere iroro. Tenga vera gaiga bwa tere chama.
Chiget keeper.
I don't want to demean anybody, but I ask myself, when Odinga is speaking on behalf of ODM as who? Like, she wants to give orders to ODM party as who? You see, the ODM party was held intact by the late Raila Odinga.
Yeah.
It was more of a party, it was more of the party, and the party was Raila Odinga. You know, you don't inherit political powers from anybody. Either they are with you or they are given to you by the constitution or the political party constitution. Powers. You don't say like Abuga's brother, who is a journalist, Nanje Kinde, political party leader, I exit from that positioning and charming out, then we are in the political party leader.
No, we don't think of money to go and I go to
That's where the ODM party is going wrong by the that allowed the officials by Choliru, by Neki Acholete, Manitaba, they confirmed the other day, the party. That way, you give the party more strength as compared to Isai Shozia and Ratoko Rokonagai. I like the speech within those officials who the broad-based government. Yes, we joined the government by the fact that we are the strongest party in the country, and they say in Africa. Telling it to us because Raila was wanted to join the government. It's because at that moment, the two Alengo was the strongest party. Otherwise, Ruto could have gone for Wiper. Or would have gone for UPA. All them was a strong party, that's why they joined that government. Nobody stands to gain from this product of the government more than the Kenyans themselves. But were it not for the product of the government, we could be again back to the streets. But at least political autonomy doesn't get because of the political formation you brought by the government. Another thing, I don't know why these guys said about Changachi Mwam could be, you realize I think other than the president, Simba, and maybe Junet. But the last point about Changachi, I don't know why I've answered it, but their statement. But from that retreat, there are 20 years of celebration. ODM now has been divided into three, I could say. I think the Kenya last time, but now it came out clear with this celebrations. That there are those ones in government, the experts, quote unquote, what in the government. They could be supporting the president, and they even supporting Oburu Odinga. as now the party leader ODM. There's that formation. The people who feel like without Raila now, the party will not be there. And there are those people who think that is their time to lead the party. Led now by Winnie Odinga. You know, people are trying to liken what Raila Odinga did to his father Jaramogi Odinga. That Pakayetana akaenda form Ford. Akajoin Ford. But you see, we are in a different political dispensation about the chinga kingo change chire. Chinga ke change. You can't liken what happened in 1970s to what is happening now. 1977 was a Metakenya. But now we have the people, the new constitution as a country, and even the ODM party as a constitution registered with the political parties of registrar. So we cannot be saying like ODM could survive beyond what is happening at the moment. But again, it's time for those ones who had in mind Yoko against Raila or shine in Nyanza. And even across the country, there are people in the ODM party who had some strengths. But the bank was there. But now it's that what you are seeing happening in ODM is because there are some brains here in ODM because they were suppressed. Like their brains have to work. But there are people within the ODM party, but they will accept that there is change. So, mpaka bachibara chuatana nende, but wish them well.
Abu soko chuatana, ngoja ni mwete sababu na hata tuko comment kwa chuatana. Kuna roteka kolikanga ODM ya kule, yo sababu ligete ya kule. Tumai tuko sereka negwe tagende ase chingwana chanya to kwa chikobuga to kumanchu muligeri ase kurulit kuliga gocha nika chingwana kero muntu riga korekara kumwesera gocha sae wini nigarorekanete ko kwana gutsegocha cheria kinguru cyo burayi bw'ikyama boli barabona igatogataunga ikyama niyo kebwente kurangeria egeikaro bachora baraya nabo igo umuske Junet Mohamed yabatete ngonye moko genderera igo yole to kubana ikyama ikiro monda tole kingesi kya yabeke muguko turego chingwane cyo mwancho muligeri chigatia barayi kinga gitumugenda te kurigeria igoro ya echere ya ODM na namano kubagekana gwekyama ekyo.
Hatuwezi tena kurudi katika opposition.
Ourselves, we are confused. Let us not bring that confusion to the ODM people. That is the position. Otherwise, kila mtu atakuwa na kipande chake cha ODM.
We need to go back to the people and have an NDC and see who the people want to pick to manage that same relationship.
Muske Paul Simbarati mukonyi bo murai bw'ikyame kyo joro mugavana county ya Kisii muske Junet Mohamed murai bwa bange ime bunge nabo igo Winnie Odinga yoro mujumbe we bunge ya East Africa Community area East African Legislative Assembly yo kutoka ime ye ense ya Tanzania nechinkone chakaro chirigele chonsi abande bagotabanga moto omubwekanese ekikyarulembeo Simba anigatabanga mugavana Simba anigatabanga ODM teriko chikabere sika serikali Junet Mohamed yatanga moko gendrega niko toko butura litunde likiro mundali kingese kiae liere igori nkwane nabo Winnie Odinga na magatanga lyo to ikaransamo torangirani tokwanda tocharo burayubuya ekero omuntu gutene gukwana mu semuna Winnie gutene gukwana ngane gutwendo ikarans torangirani tokucharo burayubuya igo pescali ni gaminatinga tabwati mani no burayibori boro no burayobororo niko bokorau na isamoke uyoro muske Oburu Odinga. Na muna aboga ika ukwana nani tuanyara kwa watu ukwana nganteke kuru muske Raila Mura asirite ngwae. Qualifications chia begete muske Oburu Odinga sekirwe kwa party leader ya ODM bado ntobwante kolikeruge tabo togo somanga we consider this and that because ntobwate aira kia leadership ya kiama tuanyara tokoligera ngaki onye for example onye katembega director nero deputy director nero station manager nero gwika nabeko bako musana kurusi receptionist for example mubeke station manager teyo so I think contribution need have.
Let me tell you okay, I did the story yesterday na ngazi techi speeches ya nyatu kwa chikurwegwe na bakai in fact telling aro kanetinga question the legitimacy
ya isemoke
in fact she told him on facing her tianda kwote gende kya kone tenga into tumanye tenga omuntu weka orenge entrusted
ne kiama
go deal with the relationship ya broad based igare ngomo skira ila Odinga lakini bono Raila Odinga oruro ntumanye tinga bono au bachorira bono that is when talking ntumanye tinga bali bachorira bono iga whether they can manage to continue with that relationship and who did he mean is the party leader who is Oburu Odinga na bamo bore tigo bono that is a clear picture that akama gotebanga nandi nyironga natebete matoko makenga abantu bari they are bedding I think did she use the bedroom that there are some people discussing in bedrooms about koani chama again tege kaba confirm na umo Simba umo amina umo gavana wa county ya Kisii Simba Ratinga hatuwezi weka chama yetu kwa mnada. Kuna wale watu wanataka kuweka chama kwa mnada.
Bado koani kiama ya
Keromonto had a different speech. When Junet oyue Oromo Nyakere gogo chintaka na Raila Odinga agate abatenga bono the way we are going we are confusing ourselves because Keromonto chete gokwa na gari igawate a different message that go pass to the people. Then surprisingly the person who has never been in the celebration for 2 days lakini sefuna kama yotabanga isinging chabantu bakorangeri that is why nata bangocha was Babu Wino. Babu Wino the complaint number 1 gata batenga na nchiri nkwane kwa sababu some of the officials
babu Nabera abali tukulia ndio mwali kokwa
Nabera abali tukulia ndio mwali mbale batagani nanda ngore ndoroka it shows a message nanda kama yakoboli yani asaba ndabons bimwe chorete
njiga tinga ni kende
yani wo muro chinga Babu Wino nice that is a clear picture ODM is in a timatinda teba isi asegete because nakinali kirete ngatanga where are we heading where is the party of ODM heading to kwa sababu you cannot come in a celebration you start complaining how the party structures and the leaders who are there how they are not trusted. The deputy party leader ngokora sabari bakwanite na Somad delegate ntaga tabanga whether you like it or not deputy omo party leader no Buru Odinga that sends a message abantu mbari within the party of the party who don't feel that Dr. Buru Odinga is fit to be the party leader the way we have been questioning including omwana mumuromo abo yore Winnie Odinga who doesn't believe in him but the deputy party leader now comes in whether you like it usiku mchana siji namna gani is Oburu Odinga then Timai Tinga Boga will confirm with me. We have a constitution in our country that allows the CSS to be involved in political shows like that. I think the CSS should be working for Kenyans.
No.
Who now own the broad-based because they are the beneficiaries after all. You say that the broad-based is not there. Where are they heading to? The 3 CSS. Actually, Tindo Chio and lakini najit kama later oparany. Bono Oyotokuru Kanga Joho, the 001 of Mombasa, the former governor, kama ni mbaya.
Ungekuja vipaa tunapatana.
The official by the he had resigned from ODM. But Rendenga is maybe let's say that he was a founding member.
Yeah.
And when you look at Mbadi, he had a different thing. When you look at Opio Wandai, he had a different thing. So that tells you the message being passed. There's a huge problem in ODM.
But then as much as abuke karago chigo so imegokwa na ngwa ikakotabanga matendu abate 2007 into abate kiama gengo ODM Kenya na ODM. I was reading somewhere na manga ODM Kenya na kienge kiama original. Na ki original. Kia better registered no muntu ngoro kumugambi Manyara. Then umuntu ngoro kia better registered I think na Dani Manso. Dani Manso then ekero aba bachikulia racinga Dani Manso register kia meki kia ODM Kenya na ande umusike Kalonzo Musyoka okegachire party yenga rero manyene bakamugambi Manyara aloya na era kamya ka register ODM so probably nero tutwara ODM Kenya irane ODM asiri ODM people na ODM original anyage ujigatikara grande we wish ODM ge survive but then ntoga ntokolige siasa tokonyara ko predicting nge kwa pen mambi na mambiende but and as much as toga ndate kukwana as abasiasi abanya ta sam kwanya ko kukwana ngabasiasi banya ta ko bakororekana ba kukwana bale more political babu at justification in one way or the other for example onyo president yale ngoro de sema kwende kiama getali kiaye don't you think a message nere ko tomunga sachinde nyako ko chukwa rusinga bano mata maskigiro de ruwa na rusati wase kiama obasana tanga ko we associate ne kiama kende wase ne kiama ngagetali getali UDA kiro maske boni garwale na bwate esamone tingine ne party ya UDA lakini mo raibwense mo nyakero kubwe so mo raibwe kiama kia UDA ro chiro pekero bake kobia ODM bita aziti mei ngwera mtura sauri kende ke gacha sana to tara kana ko ta banga to jinde basiasi bagwate ko safu Kenya ni stiba Kenya si abali politician so bali politician abuga ODM ngeye nga yuro chimambia ay karo ko jirigele karo bia mi mese
is it there someone somewhere or consider people get the way the
ODM
things I know ODM
madone campaign ba get mess
you see there are people who Nyanza by they in politics but they go ODM completely and look at what happened in Kasipul Madhe say campaign again look at we decided this thing here the other day ngaki tigiri nje chukua church in Kasipul with the issue here hero cool you might think like ODM to the candidate in Kasipul one
yeah
the other candidates are picking it up but there are people then there are people in Nyanza by they who are politicians Palenga Kamba Barai because Erodinga was still existing. Yes. When Ogosira Kwae we open the box. Kromondo Navaga Sogetia Chukura. And not be shocked that in 2027 there will be serious candidates from other political parties, even independent candidates. Majoko Wachukura in Nyanza by day. Including UDA. The likes of Nani, this guy, Kovolchikochiakas pulled from, is the independent candidate, or Oyowate, Oroko, yes. Oroko was in UDA in 2022.
Yeah, Otete was in UDA.
He was in UDA. Yes. Look at the way it's power of Madhegal. Even if he can't win the elections this time, the election year, at one given point in 2027, he might make a comeback. But then it's like holding UDA Maligaret. Because listen to the speech the made yesterday during the
you cannot correct
when all but somebody like Junet there's no mistake. You don't make a political statement and you say it's a mistake. It isn't. You must have sat.
Look at the
example of Oscar Sudi. Levels academic in Chiribuya. But when he makes a political statement, you might think he's a professor.
You know, go pick. You
might want like Andava. Are they professors? Somebody makes a statement, get the bank web in so met and bank go a PhD. You see, the genetic kind of people, when they are making statements in Bali. No, there are people even within ODM, but into the Moja Communica completely into VI. Because they know in 2027, if they come back with ODM, they will lose it or they will win. There are people within the ODM might think because they are Baba. Now, Tayo. Tickets
statement yeyo muna ntaika kwa nyora chinza cyangaraka mu raibu nso muske William Ruto nanya atakabaga kwana ngakaro diambo yaro satiku abanta bange ebabwato kwege no konna siraira kubwase kia magia ODM bakero mwenye no tabanga no ncho mwenye na abwato kwege ne siraira kubweke magia ODM.
That's what people are saying. ODM was Raila Odinga was ODM. The story nothing. You see now, even the people who are winning tickets in true nominations to ODM in Nyanza, they can't even tell you the process they are getting back about Chikuna. Mbama you think I give up with the Chikuna. As long as you have a ticket, you are in. Look at the way the Wele son was behaving with the ticket to ODM. He was more of a member of parliament. Even there's a time even in Wusi region, what the ticket to ODM, you were kind of assured. But things started changing in 2022. Because your candidates for ODM by cheering, but even someone can ask you, Otot, and Sam, from, do you know anybody know ODM from Wusi region other than Simbarati?
Nobody.
The people we knew in ODM, the people who held ODM in Wusi region, Monta then I'm going to fund a meeting ODM Kisi and to attend the Wuzu. Abaka never wants to Paragraph. who can still do that within.
Even the biggest employer kama ODM Kenya hata no como governor mo koromoske James Edwis Maribongwae kutoka kwa ODM.
They left mapema. You see, now I was asking myself a simple question like, what stops Governor Simbarat from even forming his own political party? Then now you find a way. You can find a way of forming a coalition with the Jubilee if you want. You still can find a way of forming a coalition with the current regime towards 2027. What stop? He has shown some levels of political experience. Chiragare, if he forms a party, now however form a party, you have seen members of parliament from Wuziji, try to discuss chama ya Machowaiga, that he was the only member of parliament from his party.
Kenya Ngima.
They are members of parliament from. Look at the UPA.
The only member of parliament in almost Dr. Jackson Njoki. Kenya Ngima.
What stops Governor Simbarat? Because if he goes to side the Matiang'i, there could be an issue. If he goes to side the Serikali, it would be an issue. He forms his party, then towards the elections, they're getting a key. Because if he continues with the party, it's individuals. People are not talking about that leadership tribe. People are talking about Sifuna. Sifuna go kwan because you must mamoy. Go kwaneru ngase just the general. But the abande ba go kwan because the position about including Win is attacking his uncle because the position is angle letting the party. Win feels like she should have inherited the position atomwa. So taking a background because ODM ngane party very weak because it is strong. It's about positions. And people feel like once you hold a position in ODM party, you will influence nominations. You have a say in the formation of the next government if ODM still remains in the proposed government. So it's upon them, but in Janagote, Nyasaura Konya, ODM is okay.
Let me remind Abuga, Matana Horiga again to get very technical, Governor of County Kisi. Actually, he gets moral support because the nominated MP from Mayaka. So that is the only one. I think Governor has shown, and I want to believe that he's someone who don't wait for power. He takes power. What was the essence of Kwenda Kajiado? I think it was in Kitengela. I was at the other side time on top of a vehicle. Ogo Kwanirego ya ODM. But I was surprised that all them kutane ya Chire, surprisingly. Ero manyana na babegite ODM at 20, lakini abantu abana babegite Simba neta in Kajiado and in Kitengela. So much as he believes that he might be taking the position, it's all about the positioning. Who is who? When he speaks and says, we don't trust even the ones who are carrying whether they can push the relationship. When Babu stands and say, "Ata mimi naweza kuwa party leader," it tells you that the fight is all about the position. Chiban Tekoba as who feel like they want to be part of the leadership of ODM. So chisegi chibana chiro bado nako
na se kwanira tuigo ngiringa ki mugavana gwe county ya Kisii Muzikapo Simbarati sometimes na bago ikanga ki mugara muwe na ki umpe. I think he is the only politician otenete go challenge Muskirera Amoro Odinga kune party leader ya ODM. I think it was either 2014 2015 yabo and they were serious about it. Yange first time member of parliament na after him and omonto challenge timu Davadi na Muske William Ruto. Igo era ntsachinene bangete mapema nga libaga kirira tokega na bango kolegwe. Umaito sikuligo na position ye Muske Simbarati yale. It was not there in the first place. Deputy party leader.
Yes,
Nigo I created this space. Onya libaga lia undiri koro asuke siasa liko kwa created lia era karo asedelia But then na maiso muna abogate abanya sa to kuligeria to kaidinga ki ekiame kigeito kia ODM engai kero chikochi. Then there's a worrying trend ya byama bya Kenya kalo kubirira bya ekiame ke kwenya kosoka no murai 2002 karo Muske danne moya ritaite kanu ngetiga tikabekiana ekiama kya lenge Muske Mwai Kibaki akarudi ipi kikakua akasoa na kitu ya soa kuna kia akasoa pia new pia siko chako chano chumuna piko kwanda even the most recent party ne kiama ikorunga kiama gya Jubilee no age konya kuboki gurende nawe party kiama keri inge koimoka ke level kia renge at least ingera netenze if anything happens bona gato tabenga no eno musike William Ruto so akuru UDA will die a natural death igo zachinde Iste awe Kenya tura kore igendo ku institutionalization ye biama dange kiame ke kanga bono iga we don't feel it up muna bono iga karongoliga siasa muna chiense ya America for example goseto chiklosa tanense ya South Africa gosense no ya Tanzania kiama ke konga CCM I think CCM is a serious political party up to the point that inga bataka ku Samia Suluhu bono ige bakomo there's nothing we can do about it kiama na bage koso kyomo president kubaru South Africa I remember the former president niga rusiti kuna kiama I think it's Jacob kiama ke karanse gatabanga going forward into mundo to go support Ramaphosa Kenya iste apati kira kole kiama kire karanse gatabanga muna UDA to ikaranse to amuirenga mundo to support 27 ndo ikirere veyo
tiganda goterio toto nkofuatilianda sana siasa cha United States of America and of course the UK kiri na machi kukwana nga UK nero ne
bwatrepa na
conservative you kind of look at inga then to what even some third parties that seems to be strong but they are not as stronger than the conservative and the labor ko wacha sense America we only have two parties to inchi party inchiro actually do you believe that we have more than 5 parties in US but kiama ke koigwekana it is the Democrats
and
the Republicans in fact no job unpopular candidate in the US that for example you're not popular to the people but as long as the party settles on you either the Democrats or the Republicans you go kwaranya re mileage those are countries that believe in serious political parties that have been there and in fact omonto gago value mono the nomination ye party and other than the chikura chinyana the same way iga to tebenga it's the Luo Nyanza abantu bago value nomination mono within the general elections because abo go maitenga at the moment yoko nyora a party I mean the nomination ya ODM automatically you have a mileage na boko bwa chikura unlike other parties other places including the UDA in the Rift Valley if you have UDA maybe you could be guaranteed na boko bwa chikura we can never have the democracy that is being enjoyed in other countries in Tanzania look at Tanzania juzi igaya chete elections out of I think 372 seats ekanyora 370 constituencies we have 372 seats charikuru and bya mabinde but out of those parties CCM ekaira 370 yonga yani ekatika isiko just 2 constituencies you can tell how they believe in political parties Kenya we might be believing in political parties thanks to omuga ko rarire uyu orenge ufatite for multipartism one bya maybe byakire ebya maybe bire a source of revenue it is generating revenue which I say abantu get personally ebya maybe toto let us not hide these are kiosks kia abantu get bakonyora revenue kwa sababu at the end of the day these political parties nkonyora chirenge tokurukanga share get kurwase government so that is why you see when people are fighting to be party leaders it means what they value is the resources bakonyora kurwase government more than the party strategies and the ideologies chibuate. That is why you see everyone is fighting for these political parties. So Toto Kenya, much as we are saying we have a democracy, still democracy political parties nerare that we cannot have chipatigete. We believe in and build a certain 2 or 3 political parties chibe strong. Why do we have after every election Moraibu and Soruro and UDA cannot even survive? But ODM is one of the parties that has survived. But minus
one of the reasons it has survived in Nelinga, it has not taken power.
It has not taken power. Why? Maybe ODM yarego chakuira chikura 207. Would it be the same ODM that we're having today? Yarego chakuira chikura 2013. after election year 2022 it means nyango exit yani kuru power. Will it be the same thing that we are speaking today? So for me, the Ringa, after elections and these coalitions and all the things, much as coalitions, let me tell you this thing kind of the coalitions. Again, the Ringa, after elections, what happens, and we don't have those political parties that are bigger the other time than they are when elections are done.
Institutionalized. Maybe it will take another century or decades.
So that is 2125.
Do you think there's a politician who could want to have a party?
As far as
like, you want democracy in a political party. So, like ODM now, you wanted a democracy in a career cool.
Deputy party leader, one of the deputy party leaders.
I will do for bravery. Then now, after some few days, they can answer. They get political. Do you think that thing will work? And who is willing in Kenya? Is there any politician who is willing in Korea and the Nobody. Even those ones, but only that we want to have this democracy, but once to annual. I think a power can corrupt your brain. Can corrupt your brain. It can create and happen back even where we have proper leadership. Once I saw obviously, we change the system here. No, when the current regime was coming to power, something big was going to happen in this country. It has happened but once you get in, there are politicians now who are campaigning at UDA, like in Nyoro. What happened? The system is different from the process. Those are two different ideas to happen in a political journey. Those are politicians. A system will be enormous. What just what then happen? The way ODM happened 20 years ago, it's a democracy. You can to appoint nomination, either you bite or so aligned to Raila Kapsa, also the party mark with ticket.
You Thomas Konyongana agete nduruta saneta oniga tu na 7 old way ticket ya ODM na kuleta sana.
Anyway, it's a very good, but those ones want democracy.
Akawanda chechinza na chachire sana toligereri briefly because ekonu ya Nyamira obachali oboke ya twayegire sana onega ase aligereri muno ntubate ebunge ya mbere ase kiama gikomyekani kiama gia DP na bagi kiama kia UDA tubate ebunge ya Magarini kiama kia UDA na bagi kiama kia DCP ntubate ebunge ya Marafa kiama gia DAP I think na bagi kiama kia UDA na ntubate Kaspul ODM versus Otete na uguche koro ya upio wandai uguche koro ngari ero chikura chiaere takale ugunje chikura chiaere takale because it is not being spoken about yani ndio maite ko na same with Baringo the moment musikigide ni muya saga to chiali ko ruese kie obo ko rwane kero ke basenata okoranga na garo yo Montere Bold no Montere wata Montere no manyine bucheli na wara be masenata I think you got to we bunge we county ya Baringo. Generally, nataka jidaika ibire extend comment on the elections, by-election chire titukulia Ramisi wiki hiyo kurunse. Tara jitage mnangeona isa na ibire.
Ngo toko korenda wa general overview ni linga. Actually isa kuligeri the by-elections to what actually nechi nyingi. It's not only in Ogunja, Nyamaya, Gose, Bere, North and whatever. HOMC go chirichi nyingi.
Yeah.
Are you aware that Abuga there are some MCs who have been confirmed elect and opposed?
Three.
They are there. In Jimbaro very confirmed as elected and opposed. I think they have even been sworn in. If I'm not wrong, they are serving there.
No, they want to be sworn in unless the process is
the process here. If it could be possible, they could have been, but we have a constitution. Second, a constituency ya Irwe Chingurumono, I think here Kasipol, because of the unfortunate things that are happening there. And then to Watrende Koruabu, you can't even tell that I don't know toto sana no the candidates.
Njeti mate no kwanza tininyora ko sembaro lakini ende nainyora tu.
Ese nje uzite ikasi pule wate. Ndani kwa machiko chirake I think nere ya Mbeere North because of the fight between the president and the former deputy president. Oyore muske Rigathi Gachagua. Let me tell you that I've been following the prominence according to Paul Chiko Korekano. The candidate of DCP Akoro Karis I think no matter
Newton Karis
no matter the Mangnalia Mutoni Kifagio
and useless
and whatever. At first the candidate looked to be strong until the government now invested the UDA until the government invested. Umunyo nga kia magiadi pigo kia nigo kere onde no mo ske the former speaker the former attorney general wetokroka nere Justin Bedan Njoka Muturi nere orengo in fact no erupu wa manyene
no alengeze kia
I think the president by selecting Ruku Kobomo Waziri was in a way trying to own the Mbeere North. That is why he's investing so much. But as we are speaking now, a candidate here UDA in the Mbeere North is now popular than the DCP candidate. So it is a fight here, and it's one of the crucial constituencies. Iraj Koroki Epic Changa, where is the mountain? You're gonna send the picture get. And then talking about others, I think the other others because there is no weight. Ejabusi to Achikwani Nyansonga and Nyamayand whatever to Achikwani chance. So can Tokoroki talk about the Bankaringa, Baliba was a candidate as much as maybe they are listening or not. Omorem, begin to Kiamano, election is a jingo, by election is a ginger. It's not a matter of death, life and death. Go chachiri na adenko arachiri. But what is there in Yoranga after these elections? Politicians are now bono ingabuna chiza muchianya maya nyansiongo ekerenyo pagende to kutisha out cashes manyanga nkurubaro pagende kerogo chorwa ile olio chorwa nkwenda ari bunge abanko borabare pakanga kine na namra chikosero yonga think about nga omuntu oyo mogote bunga chorwa no dream kyabwate gosenkiara akora senseme ywe because nere mogocha gotige abamba che baenda abago chane chinde whatever they are coming wataenda but what are you left with?
Abuga soko ko regoro eji pa election yecho ende abakenya keli baligirete
omana bolinga tuna rande wote by election ya Chausi china mira athingenda ya telimo the candidate ya UD kadani not even a candidate ya the Jafet Nyakundi and Kinjauri nomination from that day I randege by election. I think if UDA was use government machinery by election in Mira, then mutakabalo ingia antu au kwana. At least they have offered a fair breakground. It's by election. But again, it's the same thing that discussed with Nyaribo, either winning or losing the election in Mira. Is a replica of what will happen to the politicians who are see. There are those clever ones who have kept off. A friend Sam, like someone like Okongo Mogenu comes from Nyansiongo ward. I think he has tried to keep off. Yes. But for me, I think it's good that he was elected on an ODM party ticket. Candidature, but in the by-elections, sometimes it's good to keep off. Because Isaac and dance influence, somebody like Kevin Maranga is a neighbor. So as I support the candidate, thing to be like you support it, you what you take. I think he played a clever game as an advocate. Let me just keep off. But I wish to keep off completely. The other politicians keep off completely by the. Either they're close friends with the candidates or one way or the other but again or I think what will happen between Friday because campaign will see maybe early next week but then the sales will see change. I don't think that 2022 it could be the same thing in 2027 across board either in Busia in Kambani anywhere things have changed. People think like to empowered economically, socially, and even politically. Italian in 2022, which now kind of very suggesting voter. Na mongoya yabana injinga we need economic empowerment, social empowerment, and even political empowerment. Yeah, Italian can common in the last few things. But as we go out to vote for the candidates, particularly in Nyamira County, the 3 by-elections, people need to look at the personality here, your candidate. You go to work at Chikura. What is the stand here? Your candidate here, and what you work at Chikura. It can be a political stand. You look at the past history Montonelli arenge politically. Development was in Monta Kalia Banangia. To work on Montaskuranga because of the Baliales, Romo to Twaling, Singing and Sangon in Chuko the chance to what the Chumokusi in Yamira County. Work in Yombo, or to work on the water and what development. And after 1 year from now in 2027, I'm going to recall it. The way now you're crying now to Akretaba and Tata Koyantikura. So let us not be the same mistake to 2022. Akromo to water and Gochikura, Mondo development conscious. Mwananchi minto ochande kina tekeneke. Thank you.
Pia muno mwanjo murigereri abuno tokolera ikaro rituko ria rero cheni gongoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri na nigo twabwaterana na Buga Eric Abuga na boigo Sam Yenda kuransemo ya transmission nigo twanyara kubatogo kogonywa amo nere Mike Wales na boigo asema gaich kamera nikakoro kwa Tush wanda watu Tush Wilfred Matundra na Tush kono kwenge bwa Matundra maje mulige twaro bolige gato to bolige me gata mativiko akamo kusi boigo tware botukobuya
Montato mi storia.